Hello students, I am Madhu and I am your life skills teacher. Earlier in life skills we have done the poem Thank You Dear God and chapter 1 God is One. Now we are moving to chapter 2 Peace Lovers. So before starting the chapter we will do some words and their meanings, okay? So number 1 is caught. Spelling of caught is C-A-U-G-H-T caught. And the meaning is to take hold of something that is moving. And we will also frame sentence from the word caught. So the sentence is I caught 3 fish yesterday. Okay. Now number 2 is pounced. Spelling is P-O-U-N-C-E-D, pounced. To attack somebody or something by jumping on it. And the sentence is he pounced tearing at the jumper. Number 3 is ducked. The spelling is D-U-C-K-E-D, ducked. And the meaning is to move your head down quickly so that you are not seen or hit by. And the sentence is she ducked into her room. Now number 4 is shook. Spelling is S-H-O-O-K, shook. To move something from side to side or up and down with short or quick movements. Okay. And the sentence is Arman shook his head in disbelief. Number 5 is rubbed. Spelling is R-U-B-B-E-D, rubbed. To move your hand, a cloth, etc. backward and forward on the surface of something while pressing firmly. And the sentence is she rubbed her arms again. Number 6 is punch. Spelling is P-U-N-C-H, punch. To hit somebody hard with your closed hand. And the sentence is she gave him punch on the nose. So now we will understand the chapter Peace Lovers. Okay. Bablu was the captain of the football team of class 3rd. His team had won the last 2 matches against class 4th. We will win the next match too, said Bablu. However, they could not win. They would have won it had Bablu not lost the ball to Atul, who sent it straight into the goal. Bablu was very upset. He caught hold of Atul and shaking his fist at him and shouted, "The goal is not fair. You pushed me." "I did not," replied Atul. "He did not," the referee too said. "The game continues. I'll see you during the break." Bablu shouted at Atul, glaring at him. After the match was over, Bablu told everyone that he would teach Atul a lesson. Atul told everyone that he would not fight. He wanted to be friends with Bablu. "Those who want peace do not fight," said Atul. Atul said that those who want peace do not fight. Okay, students? Bablu laughed at Atul's beliefs and called him a big fool. Okay? Now let's see what happens. That's what he told Atul when he pounced upon him. What is the meaning of pounce, students? To attack somebody, something by jumping on it. Yes. But Atul shook himself free and said, "There is no reason to fight." Shook means to move something from side to side or up and down with short, quick movements. Okay? Shook means to move something from side to side or up and down with short or quick movements. Bablu shook Atul angrily and both fell down on the ground. Then he gave Atul a blow on his ear. Atul rubbed his ear and said, "Stop fighting." "Bablu, why don't we have another match?" "That's a good idea. Let's have another match and see who wins," shouted the children. "Let's have the match tomorrow afternoon." "Okay," said Bablu, "but don't you push me when I'm picking the ball." Peace lovers, don't push. Okay, student? Peace lovers, don't push, replied Atul and shook hands with Bablu. "See you tomorrow at the playground with your team." Students, this is a very, very nice story, peace lovers. Okay? that the peace lovers do not fight, they do not push each other. Okay, so you have to read chapter 2 and you have to do exercise given on page number 7 in book. Okay, students, do not forget to do this work. Now, I hope that you will do the work which is given to you, and you will not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. And also do not forget to mention your name, class and section in the comment box. Okay, students, study hard because your worksheet is near, and take proper care of yourself. Enjoy yourself.